Welcome back to the Kodershop YouTube channel. Down payments are a great way to secure a sale and manage cash flow efficiently, whether you are selling products or services. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make down payments in Odoo 17. So let's get started. To begin, we will create a new sales order. For example, we have just received an order from a customer named Deco Addict for the product cable management box with a quantity of 20. Here you can see that the total amount for 20 boxes will be $2,000 plus 15% tax, so the customer has to make a payment of $2,300. Now let's confirm the order and see how the customer is going to make the down payment. When a sales order is confirmed, the option to create an invoice becomes available. When you click on it, a Create Invoice pop-up appears. As you can see, there are three options to choose from. In the down payment amount field, you can specify the desired amount, either as a percentage or as a fixed amount. Let it be 50%. Now let's create a draft invoice. In the Invoice Lines tab, the down payment we just configured appears as a product. Let's dive into it. By default, the product type of the down payment products generated for invoices is set to service, with the invoicing policy set to prepaid fixed price. And the income account is set to current assets account. But you can edit or change this at any time. Okay, back to our invoice. Here you can see the down payment amount along with the tax that's applied. So the customer has to make a down payment of $1,150. Okay, from here the invoice can be confirmed and posted by clicking the Confirm button. Now we can register the payment from our customer. Check that the information provided here is correct and click Create Payment. After reconciliation, the payment will be transferred to the bank. If the customer wants to pay the remaining amount of the order, you need to create another invoice. To do this, return to the sales order. Here you can see that a new down payment section is present in the Order Lines tab, along with the down payment that was just invoiced and posted. The rest of the amount will be paid when we deliver the items to the customer. For that, click on the Delivery button and validate the process. Now let's create the invoice. Here we can see that there are two new fields, Already Invoiced and Amount to Invoice. If the remaining amount is ready to be paid, select the option Regular Invoice. Odoo will create an invoice for the exact amount needed to complete the total payment, as indicated in the Amount to Invoice field. So let's create a draft invoice and confirm it. To complete the flow, let's register the payment. After confirming this information, click Create Payment. This will display the customer invoice, now with the green In Payment banner in the top right corner. So this is how to manage down payments in Odoo. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.